we're going to Baler. Maulan. We're here with Motoman. Okay, okay. Let's go. Okay, first stop. First stop, Lakeshore, Pampanga. It's still raining. So our gear are all wet. Hello, bula-bula na yung sapatos. Yeah, my shirt is dry. My shirt is dry, but my hands are, see, it's wet. So nakalimutan ko, but I'll be wearing the latex later pag push namin next. So ang next stop namin is Nueva Ecija already. Okay, so we're just going to have breakfast here in McDonald's. Okay, we just arrived Aurora province. So maulan pa rin. So we just did a quick stop. So putik na yung mga motor namin. Okay, so we're going to push out na, going to Baler. Okay, what time is it? It's 2:27. So we just arrived here at Baler. We're checking it at the Aliyah Surf Resort. So may mga kasama rin kami ibang bikers here. Ay nako, grabe putik ko. Putik. Okay, so we're staying here. We got dalawa lang kami ni Motoman, si Edwin. And we got a triple room. I think the owner of Aliyah Surf Camp is into motorcycles. Ito naka-display sa reception. There's one more team. There's a pair of Cubs. Okay. So this is the view of our resort or hotel. Okay, so let's check it out. Macau Ihaw. Sisig.
Wow.
Bako salad. Tapos meron pa tayong inihaw
Napaka.
tuna panga. It's now our second day here in Aurora, Baler. We just stayed here for overnight, so we are preparing soon to be taking off and returning to Manila. So yesterday, papunta dito, the weather was bad, maulan and everything. But when we got here, the weather was really nice. Nagpakita pa yung araw. We saw a view of the sunset. But this morning, 4 a.m., it started to rain hard again. Here, let me show you the situation here now. It's not dark, but it's raining hard. But before we go, medyo basa na. We're staying here at Aliyah. Pretty nice place to stay at. Very clean. Very clean. The rooms are clean, but not really. I was expecting it to be bigger kasi we got the triple room. Kasi that's the room that has 2 separate beds, but it's surprisingly barely fits the 2 beds. No? So tama lang yung size actually for 2. I think kung 3 kayo masyado nang masikip. So dalawa kami ni Motoman, ni Edwin, and the room size was adequate for us. So I'm just waiting for Edwin, but I'm preparing. We're doing another podcast where we'll be talking about different topics for this one. Okay, it's really going to be a wet ride. Pauwi. Hopefully, along the way, weather will improve. Ang mga bikes namin, wala na. Nakababad na sa ulan. Overnight, it was raining. So, ayan, basang-basa na talaga. Nalinisan. Pero, wala. Putik na putik na. Latex gloves. We're now taking off from Baler to Manila. Wish us well. Maulan eh. Okay, let's go. Rock and roll. And Lord, protect our trip. As safe as possible. Thank you for enjoying riding friendship. First stop from Dumia. First stop on our way home from Baler. So we're stopping here at Nueva Ecija. First gas station namin sa Nueva Ecija. So we're on our way now to highway. We're going to probably be stopping at around the Tiplex area for our late lunch. Kasi 2 o'clock na eh. Okay, let's go. Basang-basa na kami. We're here now at Porch in Clark. Nag-stop na kami dito. Ay, basang-basa. So, I used this Tai Chi jacket. Nakita mo medyo basa dito sa arms, basa dito sa baba. But the good thing is, my shirt is relatively dry. Pati yung likod ko, it's dry. But I contributed more because of this reflectorized vest from Acerbis. Ito, this was preventing water from getting to the jacket, yung sa harap. Tapos sa likod din, nakatulong din siya that it was preventing it. Kaya, yun, relatively dry. We're now here at the porch.
Good food.
Favorite namin to dito sa Clark eh. Sarap ng food eh. So I'm going to end the Baler video here now. So on our way down, it was still raining. Mga 12 tayo umalis, no? Mga 12.
Roughly about 12.
Around 12. It was still raining pero it wasn't that bad. Kaya yung when we were doing the twisties, it wasn't raining hard.
Yeah.
It was when we got to Nueva Ecija going to CCLX, doon bumuhos yung ulan. Doon kami nabasa.
Actually, towards the tail end of the twisties, lumakas na yung ulan. Tapos yung mga straightaways na niya, yun na yung buhos na talaga. Eh, wala eh. Diyan na eh.
Diyan na, tuloy na namin. Pero, the trip was definitely...
It's worth coming back.
It was nice. It was a nice trip. The ride was good kahit na umuulan. Kasi manageable yung rain eh. Especially in the areas where it needed to be. The twisties, ang sarap mag-ride dun sa twisties. For one, there wasn't much cars, no?
Yeah, so yun din yung the part that I enjoyed it is you actually get to enjoy the ride. You know, you're not too worried about dogs crossing or tricycles trying to slow you down and stuff like that. You've got a good portion of views. The weather was cool. The twisties are, not that difficult, so it's very relaxing.
Sweeping turns, no?
Yeah, so
not too sharp.
It's a really nice way to enjoy the ride. A really nice way to disconnect with your gadgets, and it was, aside from the rain, it was a perfect ride. It was a fun ride.
Yeah, even with the rain, the ride was still, it was something. It was a good ride.
It never felt dangerous. It never felt like scary at any point. It was just right.
Medyo swerte na nga i-treat natin because when we left yesterday to come to Baler, it was starting to rain, pero manageable yung rain.
Right.
So nabasa pa rin kami when we got to Baler. But when we got to Baler, the sun was out.
Yep.
The sun was out. We were able to walk by the bay. Even noong afternoon, we walked across the bay within the boardwalk. And then in the evening, we walked the other side of the boardwalk and had dinner in that area. The weather was really nice.
May sunburn nga ako sa watch. It was that sunny already in the afternoon.
Tapos doon sa hotel namin, meron pang live music.
Yeah.
So nakatambay lang kami sa labas ng room. The hotel's nice also.
So, I invited Ken on this ride because I am preparing for a trip in September, in about a month, to Himalayas. I haven't ridden in a very long time, so I needed the saddle time. And this route was just the perfect amount of twisties, incline, decline, and then some straightaways.
Off-road.
Off-road, there's small portions of fake river crossing kasi of the rain. There were
puddles and
flooded areas that you have to cross. And there were some portions where either the bridge or the roads are being built, and so you have to, go on a very short off-road portion. So, parang na-simulate somehow. And what I wanted really to simulate was the 200 plus kilometers of ride each day in about roughly 5-6 hours or maybe more of saddle time. And so we were able to capture that. And I was hoping to do another ride before our trip. And we were originally thinking of doing Vegan. But then I realized going to Vegan was just all highway and all straightaways. And so we bumped into a guy at the gas station earlier on the way back, and he suggested to go to Dinajawan or Dinahawan. Ano ba pronunciation?
Hindi ko nga basta dun eh. It's above Baler.
Further, yeah. It's about another hour ride with probably just amount of twisties.
And according to the guy, it's calmer waters, so it's easier if you wanted to swim.
It's a swimmable beach. Yeah.
Sa ride kami nag-swim, basang-basama.
Basa na kami, hindi na kailangan mag-swim.
Pero,
Ako nagsiswim na sa loob ng sapatos. Yeah.
by the way, right now we're in Clark and it's not raining here.
Yep. Yep.
Diba? Kaya dito na rin kami nag-stop para magpiga ng medyas.
Short stop. Tapos, yun nga, just capping this wonderful trip before we head back to Manila.
It was a nice trip. Really, I like the route. I like the...
Yeah.
Last time I went to Baler, naka-car kami. I don't really remember that route eh. Maybe for a car kung nakakotse ka, it wasn't as memorable.
I enjoyed the twisties part because you feel like it was just you and the road. There's not a lot
you're
of
connected.
people. Yeah,
You're
there's not
connected.
a lot of people on the road na yung mga tambay or tricycle or whatnot.
No, but
Well,
plus the
nice.
twisties, you enjoy kasi the feeling of you and the bike being connected also. Yung tipong you lean with the bike. As in, yun yung parang the part that I was really enjoying.
Yeah. I used to take the kids out on a road trip, and on the way to Baler, I was thinking that maybe I should come back and bring them. But then there's that portion that's being fixed, and that was like over a kilometer of bumper to bumper not moving.
Kasi only one side can traverse it. So they have to stop the whole traffic. Kaya yung mga going to Baler, going to Baler, it was more than a kilometer it wasn't moving kasi they had to stop the traffic.
Yeah,
Nakamotor kami, so nakasingit kami sa gilid.
Yeah, medyo may daya tayo sa two wheels. But if you're on a car and then you have to sit through that, I don't know how long that would take because...
I think that's an hour.
Oo, kasi wala naman nagta-traffic eh. There was nobody giving...
Meron, the guy that stopped us.
Right, but the first day when we went up
Wala.
yesterday, there was nobody there. So every man for himself at that point. So yeah, so if you're on a car, expect that choke point. But the rest of the ride is
And I don't think that's getting fixed in a matter of weeks.
oh, para wala naman nagko-construction eh.
It will probably take another a month or two bago that whole area
Before
is going to
usable,
be fixed.
yeah.
Okay? Thank you guys. Ay, watch out. Yung podcast namin will be posted after this.
Gear up and ride.
Yep.
Cheers.
Cheers.